Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job is to save you money. This morning I'm working on a 1974 Chevy Custom Deluxe K20. It's a 4x4 with a 5.7 350 automatic, and customer complained they had a oil leak and a weird engine noise. Randomly starting to make a weird noise. So I fixed the oil leak. It was coming from one of the lines for the oil pressure sending unit, oil pressure sensor, gauge. So anyhow, I fixed that, adjusted carburetor, the engine started running nice. Very surprised how well the engine runs and the transmission. However, I called the customer, so I said, hey, you know what, I don't hear the noise. So they came back, they came here this morning, went for a test drive, driving normally, no problems whatsoever. However, the guy says, hey, you know what, I'm going to give it some gas, make sure, you know, the carburetor respond good and we're good to go. So as soon as he did, that thing is starting to make a weird freaking noise coming from underneath. So you know what, I say, I don't think, I've been in this business for a long time, and this and I never heard of that before. But anyhow, that's not the case. We're gonna find out, because that got me curious. And here's a lot of oil left over, so they need to take the vehicle for a power car wash. I might do that myself after I find out what is the noise coming from. But now this is what I got my attention. Right there on the housing right here on the cover for this the transmission right here. It has things, indentations from the inside coming to the outside. So right there have a hole, a punctuation. So we're gonna remove that, and we're gonna find out together what is causing this thing, man. Because that was like weird. Like I said, I cannot explain it. And like I said, I've been here, I've heard weird stuff, but nothing as weird as this. Let's see. You guys. It's another one here. So let's see what happened. Okay, it's a 3/8. Could have been like a torque converter bolt that might came loose. Now that I'm thinking about it, the way there is, could be that. That's the only other thing. So let's find out together, like I said, you know. Where did I put that thing? There it is. Alright guys, sorry about the mess, but I got other cars going okay, that one doesn't have it. Here, maybe it does have it. I just don't see it. Okay, man, this thing. Yep, it's over there. Well, if you're new to the channel, please like the video or subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe, because that will help me a lot with the channel. I really want to reach 5,000 people, 5,000 subscribers at the end of the month. And I only have like few days left, and we are like 600 subscribers away. So subscribe to the channel. Oh my goodness. Whew. This thing is like full of oil, and it's a piece of art, I guess. And it's a working truck, but it is, oh God. All right, this is the moment of truth. Let's see what we find here. It has to be one of those bolts. And yeah, I was right. A torque converter bolt. This thing, it make such a horrible noise. I was like, something is gonna blow up on the engine when that happened, and I'm not exaggerating. I'm just, that's how, what it sounded like. That's how it looked like. So, oh God. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a close up here. That is all that is engine oil, but you can see right there, that's the balance right here for the torque converter. So we are going to turn around. You see it is a bolt with a nut on the other side. So we're gonna rotate the engine, and yep, right there, the one on the top is missing. So we are going to get a new bolt, new nut, and hopefully the transmission pump did not get hurt, because other way it will start leaking. You can break the housing. But yeah, that's it, guys. So this was a mysterious, weird noise. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave your comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to respond to anything, guys, that you guys have to say. Leave down in the comments down below if you have seen or you experienced something just like this, because it sounded weird. Let's see if you're here. Is the nut? There it is. We found the nut. Now we got all the nuts. Oh God, that was nuts. No pun intended. All right, cool. That's it. So I gotta replace that. Take it for a test ride, and that will be the fix. Probably customer's going to be happy because it's nothing that like major. It could have been, but it's not. Again, do your best, forget the rest. God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Later.